If you want to move through a virtual reality, it's called a video game. It's been around forever. You know, in the filmmaking business, no one ever gives you anything. It was long ago in my life as a simple reporter that I decided that facts must never get in the way of truth. Jack, where to, Miss Rose? To the stars. Rose, you have a gift, Jack. You do. You see people. Jack, I see you. Rose, and? Jack, you wouldn't have jumped. You can't be an environmentalist, you can't be an ocean steward without truly walking the walk, and you can't walk the walk in the world of the future, the world ahead of us, the world of our children, not eating a plant-based diet. Nature's not our enemy, it's our sustenance, and we need it. And we need nature healthy for us to be healthy and to survive long term. You're so stupid, Rose. Jack Dawson. To convince people to back your idea, you've got to sell it to yourself and know when it's the moment. Sometimes that means waiting. It's like surfing. You don't create energy, you just harvest energy already out there. You can't really call yourself an environmentalist if you're still consuming animals. You just can't. Don't get seduced by your own stuff. Work hard to keep a blank slate state of mind each time you watch your film. Every time you dive, you hope you'll see something new, some new species. Sometimes the ocean gives you a gift, sometimes it doesn't. God wears white flannels. If it was up to the studio, everything would be shot with a camcorder.